guys, I'm always on the hunt for affordable but stunning to add to my earring collection. So when Mevecco reached out and asked if I wanted to have a look at their 18 karat plated cubic zirconia stud earrings, I was definitely interested. So let's take them out of the box and try them on. This is how they come. And they do have them in multiple different shapes. I have the rectangle. Oh, these are pretty, look. They do have a push backing and they have a matching necklace like here. They are hypoallergenic, so they're safe for sensitive ears, which is good because that's me. So it's just this little like rubber type backing. I actually prefer those because they tend to not move as much. Well, that feels nice and firm, okay. And it is a sterling silver post, and the body is up here is solid brass covered by 18 karat gold plating. Look how pretty. 0.43 inches tall and 0.31 inches wide. Go try these on. All right, y'all, let's try them on. I'm gonna take this one off. So forget the fact that my ear is so red, but look. You could wear it like this, like long ways, like sideways, I guess, if you wanted. Wear it long ways like that. I just think that's so pretty. And that's what it would look like as part of like an earring stack. I think it's so pretty. What do you guys think? They're so pretty, especially for winter. Yeah, I love them. I think I might go get the matching necklace. Very pretty. I think if you're looking for a great Valentine's Day idea or need something to add to your next special event outfit, grab these earrings for under $16. Finish off your look. They look very, very expensive. And you can save 20%. There's a little coupon code on the Amazon product page, and the link is in the first pinned comment. All right, straight from me, that's the tea on these earrings. I'll see you crazy kids in the next one. Bye-bye.